Okay, let's dive right into this. If you've ever felt like paying your local bills is just, a chore that totally drains your time and energy, well, you are in the exact right place. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're taking complete control of your monthly utility payments and mastering the City of Laredo's online water bill payment system. We're going to transform that monthly hassle into a seamless, completely stress-free digital habit. Let's be honest for a second here. Are you just tired of waiting in physical lines? Or maybe you're still hunting down envelopes and stamps every single month, just crossing your fingers that the mail doesn't delay your check and trigger some annoying late fee? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a super simple step-by-step guide to completely eliminating that friction. By the end of this explainer, you'll have all the knowledge you need to pay your Laredo water bill securely, literally right from your couch. We're talking about saving precious time and effort today, and, well, every single month after that. So here's exactly what we're going to cover today. First, we'll talk about ditching the line. Then we'll assemble your digital toolkit. After that, we'll navigate Click2Gov online, explore the Laredo Utilities app, look at some alternative methods, and finally, wrap everything up with support and some final pro tips.
Section 1. Ditch the line. Go digital today.
Understanding the why is just absolutely crucial here. Moving your water bill payments online isn't just about saving a trip to City Hall, though, let's be real, that is a huge plus. It's really about convenience, lightning-fast processing, and, the environmental benefits. When you manage your account digitally, you've got this 24/7 window into your finances. You are taking back control. Plus, by paying electronically, you're using secure, encrypted connections that actually protect your financial information way better than a paper check just floating around in the mail system. Section 2. Your digital toolkit, what you need. Now, you're going to hear a specific name a lot today. Click2Gov. Let's just demystify this right out of the gate. Click2Gov is literally just the name of the secure, official online software that the City of Laredo uses to process your payments. So when you hear that name, don't worry, it's not some weird third-party scam. It's the official municipal payment portal. To use it, you'll just need a stable internet connection, a device like your smartphone or computer, and your payment method of choice, like a bank account, Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. And this brilliantly illustrates the two main digital paths you can take. On one hand, you've got the Click2Go web portal, which is absolutely fantastic for desktop browser access and making really fast, secure one-time payments. On the other hand, you have the Laredo Utilities mobile app, which is tailor-made for your smartphone and offers some incredible tracking features. Regardless of which path you end up choosing, you gotta have two things ready before you register: your official Laredo utility account number and either an active email address or a phone number.
Section 3. Navigating Click2Gov. Online portal steps.
Okay, here is your step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to visit the official URL, larry-egov.asggov.com, or simply navigate there securely through the main cityoflaredo.com website. Always double-check that URL to ensure your online safety, right? Step 2. If it's your first time, you'll create an account using that utility account number we just talked about. If you're a returning user, just go ahead and log in. Step 3 is navigating to the bill payment section where you'll enter your payment details. And finally, Step 4, confirm the transaction. Oh, and just a quick pro tip here. Payments made on this portal will officially post to your account on the following business day, so definitely plan accordingly. Now, this next point is absolutely crucial. It's the system blackout notice. The Click2Gov portal undergoes daily maintenance and is completely unavailable between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. So if you are a bit of a night owl trying to pay your bill at 3:30 in the morning and the site just isn't loading, don't panic. It's not your Wi-Fi and your account hasn't been locked. It's just a routine daily update window. Just wait until after 4 a.m. and you'll be good to go. Section 4. The Laredo Utilities app. Mobile management. Setting this up is incredibly intuitive. Step 1, open up the Google Play Store on your Android or the App Store on your Apple device and just search for Laredo Utilities. Step 2, look for the official app developed by Adcom Systems and hit download. Step 3, just like with the web portal, you'll register using your utility account number alongside your email or phone number. Guys, it takes maybe 2 minutes from start to finish, and then boom, you are securely logged into your local water account. Now, what's really interesting about this app is that it's way more than just a payment tool. It's a powerful financial management system. It lets you review your historical monthly water consumption and pull up your full payment history. But even better, by tracking this data, you can easily identify abnormal spikes in your water usage. I mean, if your bill suddenly doubles but your habits haven't changed at all, this app can actually help you spot potential property leaks early, which is going to save you a massive headache and a lot of money.
I do want to be completely transparent with you about the costs here. Whether you're using the Click2Gov web portal or the Laredo Utilities mobile app, whenever you use a credit or debit card, a $2.75 convenience fee will be added to your transaction. It's really important to know this upfront so you aren't caught off guard when you reach that final checkout screen.
Section 5. Alternative methods. Phone and offline options.
So, what if you're on the go and just want to make a quick phone call? Well, the automated phone payment system is fantastic for that. Step 1, simply dial 956-721-2032. Step 2, ensure you have your account number right in front of you before you call because the automated system is going to ask for it immediately. Step 3, just follow the prompts to pay using your Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. And just as a quick reminder, that $2.75 convenience fee does still apply to these automated phone transactions. Now, sometimes going offline is just better for your specific situation, right? And the city totally has you covered there too. You can use the physical payment night drops located at the City Hall Annex on Bob Bullock Loop or at City Hall over on Houston Street. Just remember, these drop boxes only accept checks or money orders. You can also pay in person at trusted neighborhood spots like H-E-B and Ace Cash Express stores. Or, the classic method, mailing a check or money order directly to P.O. Box 6548 in Laredo. Section 6. Support and final tips. Master your account. Look, if you ever get stuck, maybe you forgot your password, entered the wrong account details, or just have a really complex question, help is readily available. You can call the friendly customer service team directly at 956-727-6402. For general city info or to report a violation, you can always just dial 311. And if you really need to speak to someone face-to-face, the customer service team is located right there at the City Hall Annex on Bob Bullock Loop.
Here's a bonus tip that will instantly declutter your kitchen counter. Go paperless. You can register your email address with the customer service team to start receiving electronic notifications instead of physical hard copies. Not only does this save a bunch of trees, but it keeps all your bills easily searchable right there in your email inbox. Also, it's definitely worth mentioning that if you're struggling with payments, the city does offer an affordability assistance program for certain qualifying customers. So please don't hesitate to ask customer service about that if you think you might need it. As we wrap up today, please note this brief professional disclaimer. The information, digital processes, and convenience fees, like that $2.75 charge, that we've discussed today are accurate based on the city's policies as of August 1st, 2026. Digital platforms and municipal procedures do evolve, so we always recommend verifying the most current details directly on the official Laredo Water Utility website or by contacting their support team.
And there you have it. You are now fully equipped to confidently manage and pay your Laredo water bill online, by app, or by phone, completely unassisted. So now that you have the tools to bypass those lines and pay your bill in seconds, what are you going to do with all that saved time? We would absolutely love to hear from you. Drop down into the comments and share your digital payment experiences, or let us know if you have any questions so this community can help each other out. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Stay focused, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.